Welcome, Escambia County Public Schools. This is your Tech Tips in a Flash, brought to you by the Instructional Technology Professional Learning Team. Do you create content in Google Docs that you want to share? Maybe you just created something you want others to see but not edit, and yet you'd like to share a copy with them so they can have it in their own drive to edit. We are all about sharing. Let us share with you how to do this. Here we go. First, let's go to Google and select the Google Docs icon from the waffle in the top right corner. This will bring up all of your docs. Let's take a look at a document that is a lesson plan template. This is something you might want to share with someone else, but you would not want them to edit your version of it. When someone has shared a document with you that is set to view only, it is most likely because it's not a collaborative document. If you want to keep a copy, you can go to the File and Make a Copy. This saves a copy of the document to your My Drive. Keep in mind, the copy you have in your drive will no longer be shared with the original creator. It belongs to you only, and they will not see any edits that you make. Another way to share is to select the Share button in the top right side of your screen. Under the General Access, you can decide if you want to keep this document restricted to other people, share it with only people in our school district, or share it with anyone with the link. For the purpose of sharing this document as a copy only, we will select Share it with anyone with the link, then we will select the Copy Link button. After copying the link, you will go up to your browser and open another tab to paste the link in order to change it. Here we will back out the information at the end all the way to the /. Then we're going to type the word copy. Just to show you how this looks, we will copy and paste the URL in another tab, and then we're going to press enter. So this is what someone would see after you have highlighted and copied the changed URL and shared out with them in an email, on a flyer, or however you want to communicate giving someone this URL. Let's go back to the tab where we have our template, and we're going to show you one more way to share a copy of a document, and that's to share a link that allows a preview of the document and an option to select it as a template. To do this, you would do the same process of getting the link, then opening a tab to paste it in the browser. Once again, you're going to backspace out to the / and type in instead this time template/preview. Again, we will put this in another tab to show you how it looks. So we're going to copy the URL, paste it in, press enter. Now you can see the preview in a new window where you can select Use it as a template, and this saves in your drive where you have access to make modifications to it. That person then has their own copy of the template to make changes. So when you want to share a copy of a Google document, hopefully any or all of these 3 ways of copying to share documents will be helpful as you use Google Docs. Thanks for watching Tech Tips in a Flash with your Instructional Technology team. For more tech tips, subscribe to our Byte of Tech YouTube channel.